Hello everyone. Okay, welcome to a new Let's Play, which is the Kerbal Space Program. Okay, this is a fantastic game, which you play these funny little creatures here called Kerbals, and they have decided they wanted to go into space. There are various modes you can play this game. I'm playing it in career mode, which basically means we collect science. The more science we get, the more technology we get, which essentially means bigger rockets, and that means bigger explosions. Fantastic. Okay, so this is the 1.1 patch. I've played a little bit previously, but I do have to confess I am not an experienced Kerbal player. I've watched quite a lot on YouTube, excuse me, but I would in no way consider myself competent. So if you're watching this to learn how to play the game, if you're watching this to learn how not to play the game, I'm your chap. Okay, so let's have a look. We'll do a quick look around and see what we have. So first of all, this is Gene Kerman. Hello, Gene. He is the flight director, and this is so we've got the Space Center. Right click over the Space Center facilities to view more about them. Okay, so we have here the tracking station. Right, so we can upgrade that, and we need to do that to get orbits visible, so that would be good. Oh, no repairs needed. Excellent, we can break our space center. That's fantastic. Okay, dear. Right, so you get the tracking station, right, that's the same thing. The vehicle assembly building, this is where we build rockets. Hooray! We've got mission control. Okay. That's fine. So let's go into mission control. Yep, and it's Gene again. Okay. So we have, let me see. So the way this works is you do various missions to generate scientific data. Okay, we can at the moment take two contracts. Yes, Gene, don't interrupt. So, ooh, that's a funny symbol. Okay, right, I'm assuming that's cash. Okay, right, never mind, who knows. Right, so we want to gather scientific data from Kerbal. Yes. Right, and launch our first vessel. Yes. Well done, Gene, well done. Okay. So next, that's the vehicle assembly building. We'll come back to that. Mission control, space plane. I have never played with space planes. We'll maybe do that later. Astronaut complex. Let's go meet the lads. Okay, hello everyone. I'm assuming that's cash. Right. Okay. So we have our various engineers and scientists here, and we've got our favourite guys here. And Jebediah is the main man. We like Jebediah. He's both courageous and stupid. The perfect attributes for one of my space missions. Okay, so Jebediah, don't you worry, mate. Right, okay, let's go back. So it's Astronaut Complex, the admin building. Let's pop into here. Alright, oh, this is all new. Oh, right. Never played with this. Okay, so we can do various strategies. So we can do max of one. So a fundraising campaign, right? Blah blah blah. Startup cost 7 science. Right. Okay, I don't know what that is. That's reputation. So that's reputation. So we have no reputation. Hooray! Excellent. So that must be cash, reputation, and science. Okay, right. So we can't do anything at the moment, so we won't worry about that. Okay, so that was the admin building, research and development. Okay, wow. 451,000, we can't do anything there. Okay, so we have no science, so there's nothing we can do. Splendid. Okay, so let's build a rocket. Okay, okay. So we've got the various components here we can use to put on a rocket. Right. This is Werner von German. Hello, Werner. Bloop bloop bloop. Yes, yes, yes. Don't worry about it. Okay. So we've got a command pod. We've got no fuel tanks. We've got an engine and command and control, structural, aerodynamics, utility, a parachute, and mystery goo. Okay, right. So the mystery goo is a weird substance, and we want to see how it behaves at various things. So let's build a rocket. So we'll have a command pod, yes. We'll have an engine, yes. We'll put on a parachute, yes. And we'll put on the goo. So, right, and put the goo there. Ooh, I don't like that. Don't like that at all. No, 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 no. It's weird. I thought it would normally snap on a little bit better. It's never gone that weird before. Why are you not snapping like that, goo? Why? Okay. Alright, we'll put you there. No, we won't, in fact, because that will unbalance the rocket and we'll all die horribly. Okay, so you get over there. Right, okay, so we have our first rocket. So we'll call that the starter Mark 1. Yes. A good design. And we'll just save because I'm paranoid. Okay, so from here you go out onto the launch pad. Okay, dokie. So, and you can have multiple stages. So, right, let's have 2 stages. No, let's fire the rocket first, and then we have the parachute at the end. That looks really quite more sensible. Okay. So we've got resources, so you use electricity, propellant, solid fuel. We won't worry about that at the moment. Okay, so let's zoom in a little bit. Let's get an EVA. So, how's it going there, Jebediah? Okay, and we'll send that back home, so we can't transmit it. Okay. So let's just get back on board. That's fine. Come on, Jebediah, are you okay? Yes, you are. So what was that? Okay, world's first Mind Stone that we have looked at. We've got out on top of the rocket. Fantastic. Right, and there should be our mission somewhere. Launch our first vessel, gather scientific data from Kerbal. Okay, so let's zoom out, and spacebar should launch us. Okay, so it's a solid fuel booster, so it's not going to do much. Right, there we are, and we do have some control over the rocket. So, but we're just really interested in a height record. Okay, and we're now starting to come back. Right, will we get to 10,000 meters? We can do it. We can. Fantastic. Looking good there, Jebediah. Okay. Now, there's a safe. Uh-oh. Okay, slight amount of plunging to our doom. Don't worry about this, Jebediah. We'll be perfectly safe. Okay. me just check. Parachute. Okay. There's a distance we can deploy it, or a height we can deploy it, and a speed. There's teensy bit worried that we've gone above that. So okay, slight amount of plummeting. Okay. Slight teensy problem there. That mission may not have been completely successful. But okay, let's just revert to vehicle assembly. Right, sorry, I've not played this for a while. Bit rusty. So let's have a look. Right, so interested in the parachute. Right, okay. So crash tolerance 12 meters per second, maximum temperature. Right, okay. Right mouse button, more info. Right. Max safe deploy speed at 264. So we can deploy it at 264 meters per second. Right, okay. Okay, right. So let's pop out onto the launch pad. Right, okay. And just do that again. No, we want that. We want that. Okay. Right. Okay, Jebediah. Right. Crew reports. Hang on, let's get back in. EVA report mate, please. We'll keep that. And get back on board. Well done. Right, okay. Right, so what we'll do as soon as the solid fuel booster burns out. Okay. Right, so it's about 250 is the maximum speed we can deploy. Okay. Okay. So let's just do that. Okay. Come out. Now it's not. I think it's not going to work at this altitude particularly well. I'm kind of hoping it's not on fire. Okay, we'll see what happens. Right, while that's horribly burning up in the atmosphere, let's have a look at our succeeds. So we've launched our first vessel. Excellent. And was that the same one? Was that the same one? Right, so right, can we get a crew report, Jebediah? Right, fantastic. So I think that's all we can do at the moment. I'm slightly worried we've burned up our parachute, but never mind. I'm sure it's going to be fine. Okay, look, Jebediah. How calm he is. Okay, so the chute is fully deployed. That's fantastic. Right, we're at 550 meters, coming down nice and gently. That's fine. Okay. Right, and also we should be able to get some more information because we're going to splash down in the sea. Right, down we go. Gentle, gentle, gentle. Get rid of that. Oh, that was pinning it. Alright, so we just click away. Double. Look at Jebediah. Calm as can be. Now I think we'll probably not get out the spaceship at this point. That might be a little bit dangerous. Okay, just about to splash down. Yes. Push. Excellent, 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 excellent. Okay, a complete success in that we didn't die. Right, okay, so right, so that's that, okay. Right, can you get out, mate? You can. Right, EVA reports. Yep. Alright, get back on board. Right, so we've got that, and recover the vessel. A resounding success. So, this is what we got for this mission. We got the crew report for flying over Kerbal shores. Perfect. EVA report, and recovery of a vessel that survived a flight. Excellent. Okay, Jebediah is still there, and he got experience, so you can level up your Kerbals. Interesting. Right, we've done that. We're perfect. We've done that. Done that. Okay, so let's go into mission control. Active. Right, so we can take more missions now. Okay, so that one is haul a booster into a flight, yes, and haul a stack decoupler. Right, test that. Okay, so we're going to do that because we need that. Right, we're not going to be able to get into orbit yet. We're not going to be able to escape the atmosphere. Okay, so we just go back. Let's just go into the VAB. Right, what is that? That is a flea solid fuel booster. Right, okay, so yep, save and continue. Right, so we go into here, enter. Okay, so if we take that, we just rerun that mission. Okay, using the same equipment, and we should be able to complete 2 missions. Right, that's the thinking anyway. Let's go in. Right, launchy pad. Okay. Right. Oh, you can set the stages. We should really do that. Okay. Right. Launch. Okay. Can we get a crew report? How's it looking? Lovely. Okay. So I think they said you can't deploy a parachute above 250 meters per second. So we're going down. Now, just going to see if there's anything we had to do. Okay, so we're going down. We're going down. So about 200, I'll deploy it. Okay, so it won't fully inflate, but it'll slow us down a little bit. And hopefully we won't die. Excellent, excellent. Okay, so I'm hoping that'll give us 2 contracts. Right, so you can cut the parachute. Right. So you can set the altitude it deploys at. Deploy, please. Deploy, deploy. Okay. There we are. Looking good. Okay, so hopefully we'll get some more science from this. So if you do the same experiment multiple times, it's not quite as productive. And in fact, at some point I think you don't get any rewards at all. Resources, contracts. Okay. Right. Damn, so we actually had to do this. Right, okay, that was a mistake on my part. Right, okay. Right, right. Crew report. No, don't want to do that. Oh, goodness sake. Can we... Can you get out now, Jeremiah? No. Okay. What about now? No, okay. Right, so let's just recover that. That was... Okay, so we got that, so we got very little. Okay, no XP gain. Okay, so I want to rerun that and do it properly and get the mission thingies. Okay, so test the Mark 16, right? So I'll get into orbit. Ah, damn, we can't do that. Okay. Right, that one we can do. Right, okay, so we've really got to fix the staging in this, right? That's good. Okay, so 1000 to 6000, 120 to 290. Doing there. Right, so we didn't get anything, so okay, so we need to get back down to 6,000 meters and hope we're not going too fast. I'm not sure if I can do it from this menu. I hope I can. I really hope I can. Alright. So speed's fine. Okay. Still, so it's about 290. That's fine. So, yeah, we did it. Excellent, excellent. Right, so let's see if this time we can actually get a decent EVA report. It still looks like you're coming in too fast, doesn't it? But good old Jebediah's confident. Okay, gently, gently, gently. Check in case we can get a new crew report. Nope, nothing of any interest. But I'm hoping the rocket will stay upright so we can get... Don't fall over, don't fall over, don't fall over. Excellent, right. Out you get, Jeb. Okay, right. So climb out. Okay, right. EVA report, please. Lovely. Okay. Right. And can we get back on board our bloody spaceship? F. I mean, not that we have particularly far to go due to the fact the space centre's over there. Okay, let's go this way. Let's go this way. Can you jump? You can. Okay. Right. Okay. So can you? No, don't fall over, Jeb. Come on, you're a highly trained Kerbal Knot. Okay, right. Alright, never mind. Right. So we'll cover the vessel. Okay. That's fine. Okay. No XP gain. And recover it. Next. Right, okay, so let's have a look at the summary. We now have 33.7 sciencey points. So we've now got into R&D. Right, so this is the tech tree. Okay, so that'll cost us 5 points. Basic rocketry. Yep, we'll have that. Engineering, we'll have that. Now, this is where it gets a bit tricky. We have 23 points. That costs us 20, so that costs us 18. That costs us 15, so we can only afford one. So general rocketry, that gives us a liquid fuel engine, a solid fuel booster, and a fuel tank. That gets us nose cones, right? And that gets us survivability. Okay, Jeb would probably want us to get that one, but I don't think we need any of this at the moment. So it's general rocketry. Right, there we go. So, we come out of here. We go into the VAB. Right, so you can see now we've now got two different types of fuel tank. We have lots and lots and lots of different engines. We have no command and control. We've got a girder and a stack decoupler. So this is the thing that, the explosive bolts that separates the stages. We've got fins, we like fins. We've got utilities, and we've got some more science. So we've got a Commutron, Mystery Goo, and a Science Junior. Okay, so we've got lots of things to play with. Right, so join me next time as we continue our adventures in space and blunder around. I think the next stage will be orbit. So can we get Jebediah or one of his friends into orbit? So join me next time on Kerbal Space Project.